Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Litecoin, and I am still hoping that the bullish scenario is going to play out in here, indicating that our move down is indeed over, and this is our final low somewhere around 83.5 cents, and off of it we may have like a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up into a wave 1, and the current move might be a correction for wave 2, and after our move down is over, hopefully we are going to have a very strong move on the upside into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Now, in the previous update, if you remember, we talked about the possibility of having either a running flat or maybe an expanded flat, which said that maybe this is going to be like an A, B, C on the upside, and then we may see like a 1 2 3 4 5 wave down, and on a higher degree we're gonna say at that point from this high a correction is started, and it's going to be some sort of a flat structure. Now, this scenario can still be in play, but in the interest of being objective, I also want to show you another possibility, suggesting maybe even from the current point we are going to get a move down, because I think there is an argument to be made for this sideways price action to be potentially in form of a triangle and A, B, C, D, E. Now, here's the situation. I think you might be able to somehow find an impulsive structure in this area. And if this is the case, maybe in Litecoin, we are not going to have that move up, and we're going to have a move down starting from the current point, like a 1 2 3 4 5, in order to take this low down here about, let's say, $87. Now, at that point, I need you to be a bit patient and wait for a move on the upside, because overall we may have a simple corrective movement starting from here in form of potentially an A triangle into wave B and another move down into our C leg. And if this is the case, well, okay, this is 5 wave up, this is a correction down. It's a bullish setup, suggesting that in LTC, we may see a very strong move up. So let's have our final conclusion and wrap up today's update about Litecoin. There is still a chance that we may see another move on the upside. And if you see this one happening and then a very strong move down, a 1 2 3 4 5, please consider the possibility of having a flat structure in this area. On the other hand, if you see a move down from the current point, don't really jump into any unnecessary bearish conclusion too quick, because this might be an ABC, and what you want to see after this final move down is a relatively strong move up in order to take these highs in here about, let's say, $94. If we do this, that's kind of going to confirm our bullish possibility in Litecoin, suggesting the final low might be already in. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Litecoin's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.